everybody, it's Dory here, and I'm going to share with you another fun recipe today, or at least another fun hack with the OPTAVIA fueling. And today we are going to be using the Creamy Vanilla Shake, and we're going to turn this into a caramel frappuccino. So stay tuned, let's get to the ingredients. You are going to need 1 packet of the Creamy Vanilla Shake, 6 to 8 ounces of coffee, 1 cup of ice, 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar-free caramel syrup, and a blender. So now let's assemble our drink, adding in our 6 to 8 ounces of coffee. Next, we're going to rip open our OPTAVIA Shake. Having a little bit of trouble. And pour that right in. Next, we're gonna add our cup of ice. Snap the top, and now we're gonna blend. Actually, I'm gonna add more ice. Now we're gonna grab our cup. I've got my Starbucks cup here. And now with our sugar-free syrup, we are just going to drizzle this all around our cup. Okay. Now we're gonna pour our Frappuccino mix inside our cup. About a half tablespoon, a little bit of more syrup on top. We're just gonna swirl it a little bit. Add our lid on, and there we go. We got a creamy vanilla turned into a caramel frappuccino drink, guilt-free, and definitely so good. So let's give this a test try. All right guys, so now for the taste test for the caramel frappuccino that we made out of the Creamy Vanilla Shake. So let's give this a try. So delicious. It tastes just like a caramel frappuccino, only that it's guilt-free and you can definitely still stay on plan if you make this drink. And also I'll tag all of the ingredients and also what the sugar-free syrup counts as on your program. All right guys, if you like this video, please like it, subscribe to this channel, as I will be posting some weekly videos, either if it's a fueling hack or if it's a lean and green meal, and also be posting some tips along the way too to help you progress on your program. All right guys, have an amazing day, and I will see you guys in the next video.